In this video, I'll show you how to remove your Instagram account from your phone in just a few simple steps. Whether you're wanting to take a break from social media or you simply want to remove your account from the Instagram app, I will show you exactly what you need to do. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how to remove your Instagram account from your phone, once and for all. To get started, first open up the Instagram application. And then tap on your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are on your profile, tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen. And then tap on Settings. So now what you want to do next is tap on Security, and then tap on the third option, which is Saved Login Info. And if you have this toggled on, simply toggle this off, because if you have this enabled, Instagram will remember your account info on this device and it will mess up this entire process. After you disabled that, go back and scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on Log Out. And then tap on Log Out one more time. And when you are on this screen, it will show your Instagram account and you also have the option to log back in. So in order to remove the account from your phone, tap on these three little dots right next to the login option, and then simply tap on Remove. And boom, now you have successfully removed your Instagram account from your phone. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.